Hey again, language learners. So in today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating world of verbs and verb tenses. So by the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how the verbs work and how they express different actions, states, and time. So let's not waste any time and dive right in. Our first part is the present simple tense. This tense is like taking a snapshot of actions or situations that happen regularly, express habits or state facts. Okay, so let's see it in action. I eat breakfast every day. You play piano beautifully. We love programming. They live in a house by the lake. He plays a guitar. She loves to read. It, the sun, rises in the east every morning. Okay, as you can see here we have the pronouns and verbs. I eat breakfast every day. In this sentence, the verb eat shows us the action that happens every day, regularly. And in this sentence, she loves to read. Loves the verb, but to read is also a verb, right? So loves here the linking verb or the habit, verb that shows habit. I would like to take a closer look at subject-verb agreement when using different pronouns with the present simple tense. In English, the verb form changes based on the pronoun used as a subject. It's all about making sure verb matches the subject in terms of number and person, just like we have in our examples. Let's say you play piano beautifully. You play. He plays a guitar. So with I, you, we, and they, verb stays in its form. But with he, she, and it, we add this S at the end. Now it's your turn. I want you to think of an action or habit that you do in everyday life regularly and form sentences in the present simple tense. Just like this example. I eat breakfast every day. I go to school. I work on weekdays, etc. And also, feel free to share it in the comments below. Okay, now let's see the difference between action verbs and linking verbs. So the action verbs act just like they sound. They show some action. For example, he runs, she jumps, I read, you sing, etc. These verbs make our sentences dynamic and full of life. On the other hand, we have linking verbs. Linking verbs like connectors. They connect subject with its verb by adding more information. Just like she seems happy. Seems connects she and happy. And here are some examples of action verbs in sentences and linking verbs. She runs every morning. Do you write stories? We read on Sundays. So as you can see, these verbs show action. She feels tired. So the linking verb feel, providing more information about the subject, about her. The stars appear brighter. Let's say on a clean sky. Okay, so guys, I hope that now, after watching this lesson, you understand the present simple tense even better. And I wish you good luck in your learning journey. and see you next time. Bye bye.